Hi guys, welcome to Friday's Maths and English activities. Today's going to be a little bit more relaxed. It's meant to be just a nice way to end the week. The activities will look a little bit different for maths every Friday, and you'll see what I mean soon. So remember, you can pause the video, come back, re-watch whenever you feel like, and have fun. So here for writing, different to what we were doing. So I wanted to have a little bit of fun. It's all about just writing a sentence that makes sense. So that's our learning intention. But it's important to also say it. Sometimes we have something we want to say, like I might say cup, but the reader won't know, or the person who's listening to me won't know what I mean by cup. Like, what do I want to say about my cup? But I might want to say that my cup has a gold handle. When I say it like that, they know exactly what I want them to know. That's because I've used a lot of those little words to give my message and make sure it's clear. That's what I would like from you. So it's a big skill. It's very tricky sometimes. So you really need to think about it before you say it. Now you're going to, so if we have a look, focus on the purple arrow. It says create and draw your own crazy animal. Now it could be a pink koala with a long tail. So I might draw, I don't know, a purple bear. That's what I'm going to draw. Purple bear with crazy eyes. Here he is, purple crazy-eyed bear. Oh, looks more like a mustache, but that's okay. All right, so I'm going to give him an arm. Oh, looks super cuddly, doesn't he? Real bears do not look very cuddly. You wouldn't want to go near a real bear. Okay, so here is my crazy purple bear with crazy eyes. Now we're going to write a sentence that tells the reader about my crazy animal. Now I might say, my crazy bear has two crazy eyes. There's my sentence. So my crazy bear has two crazy eyes. So I need to make sure I remember my 7 words. So I might say it over and over until I remember. So my crazy bear has two crazy eyes. My crazy bear has two crazy eyes. I think I remember it now. Now I'm going to write my sentence. So I remember capital letter. So my finger space, stretching it out, crazy. Now I remember at the end of a word, E is tricky. It's actually Y. So my crazy bear. Now you might ask an adult to help you with the spelling of these tricky words, or you could actually stretch them out as well. So my crazy bear, finger space, has, nice tall H. It's my spelling, one of my sight words, so I remember what it looks like. My crazy bear has. My crazy bear has two crazy eyes. So I'm up to 2. I remember the word two. W. Oh, that's number 2, not T-O. So my crazy bear has two crazy Z. My crazy bear has two crazy eyes. Eyes is a funny word. Now, eyes, it's tricky. Now you might, when you stretch it out to IS, that is perfectly fine, guys. Stretching out is an amazing strategy. Now remembering that my message has finished, so I've put my full stop. So my crazy bear has 2 crazy eyes. How cool is that? Now you get to create your own sentences. You might do 1, 2, 3, 4, however many sentences that you'd like. Have fun with this activity. Remember, if you'd like to submit it onto Google Classroom, that is fine. If you can't, write it on a piece of paper, write some words if needed, and you can show an adult at home. Super proud, super excited to see what you come up with. Have lots of fun, and then pause this video, or you can continue watching to see what's happening next. Okay guys, now it's Whooshkaa time. So again, log into your Whooshkaa leveled library at the bottom of the page. Find I Like That Horse. Listen to your book with the yellow play button. Then you're going to read your book out loud for the last time this week. You might read it once, you might read it twice. You might want to listen to it 2 or 3 times before you try reading. After you've done that, I'd like you to complete this Whooshkaa activity. So you're going to practice the tricky word that. Here, we've got it here. So I like that horse. It has pink spots. So here's the horse. Now you're going to use a pink pencil or pink colored to match the horse like in the picture. So your horse must match the sentence. So I wouldn't draw a pink horse, a yellow horse here, would I? It would not make sense. The next sentence says, I like horse. You fill in the blanks. I have a feeling if you look here it might help, or you can use the book to help you work out that word. And then it has blue spots. So you're going to make sure that your colors match your picture as well. This shows us that you've got an understanding of what the sentence is saying. Have fun, enjoy Whooshkaa. You may pause the video to do the activity, or you can continue watching to see what's coming next. Have fun. Remember, if you would like to submit your activity onto Google Classroom, that's great. If you can't, that is also fine. Welcome to our last maths lesson. Every Friday, you're going to be completing a maths number grid activity. You've been doing this for the past few weeks, but I haven't really had the chance to make a video about it. So here we go. Your learning intention is that you can complete number problems using the correct strategy, because there are lots of different types of questions here and lots of different maths words. So if you hear the word heaviest and lightest, and you end up knowing that you're going to be doing hefting and checking, oh, this feels heavier, this feels lighter, that is incredible. That's a big skill. So we're going to have a look. There are lots of different rectangles that you can choose from. I might choose this one. So your task is to show all the ways you can make 14. This is saying, so if you chose this question, you might do, 7 plus 7 is 14, or 13 plus 1 equals 14, or 12 plus 2 equals 14. If this is tricky, you can always use things around your home, like pens, or you might use your spoons. But remember, you need to ask an adult. You might even go and pick some grass. If you use the grass strands as counters, that would be excellent. If you use little rocks, if you've got pebbles outside, whatever you need, we will find it. Remember, if you need help, I'm here on Google Classroom. Mrs. Townsend is also on hers. And with these activities, if 14, or if the number is too tricky or it's too easy, you can always change it. So for this activity I've chosen for today, I might make it 10 and do all the different ways I can make 10. Or I might make it 24 and do it 24. You can have fun with this activity. You might need an adult to help you. Either way, Have lots of fun. Remember, the teachers are here. If you submit your work onto the Google Classroom, that would be great. If not, ask an adult to have a look at your work. Very proud of your activities so far. Very proud of your involvement. Enjoy the maths lesson. Remember, you might choose one. You could choose two if you'd like. That's also fine. And I think that's it. So enjoy yourselves. Happy Friday. And have a great weekend. Listen to your families and stay very safe. Bye, guys.